Everybody, Puffin here. This is probably the best part of the Denver Nature and Science Museum, the giant dinosaur bones exhibit. So, wanted to show some of those while I'm here. Brontosaurus. What do they call it now? Long neck baxes. The Diplodocus, sorry. The Diplodocus. Some skulls. Stegosaurus. Duckbill. And then we've got some turtles and fish. So some really impressive skeletons. They moved the T-Rex to a different part of the museum. So there's a whole nother part of the museum for the T-Rex, but even more here. Just wanted to show off some of the more impressive ones. Like here are some strange prehistoric animals. I can't see their names.